DadBQ.
Hello and welcome to DadBQ. Today we're going to be cooking up
strawberry upside down cake.
You heard them. Let's start cooking. Strawberry upside down cake. This is one of our family's favorite desserts. It's very versatile. You can use any fruit in any cake. We've done pineapple and cherry with yellow cake. We've done fruit cocktail and yellow cake. Today we're doing strawberry on strawberry, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So we're going to start off with our overview and recipe screenshot. But first, I need to find that recipe.
I have it over here.
Oh, you got it? Whoa! Strawberry upside down cake. What a fun dessert. This iteration is delicious, going strawberry on strawberry, as is any upside down cake, focusing on fruit and cake and just having fun in the process. For this, make sure that you follow the directions on the cake batter. We love altering applesauce for oil. Get the smoker up to 350 degrees. If you are using an oven, go ahead and do so. We also use a cast iron pan, but you can use whatever dish suits you and your family. Cook to 350 degrees. In order to do the topping, 1/3 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, whatever fruit you're using. We're using strawberry. We're doing a pound. Frozen, canned, fresh, whatever you want to do. It's all going to be great. When it comes time to flip, smallest board as will cover the cake is going to be the easiest. If you have a large board, it can be a little unwieldy, but regardless, let it flip. It's going to be a little bit messy. It's going to be a lot of fun. Just love the experience. Let's get back to it. Great. So in order to put this all together, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to follow the directions to put the cake batter together. It calls for water, oil, and eggs. So we have eggs here. Instead of oil, it allows for a substitution of applesauce, which should be delicious, right? And then our water. So what's the first step going to be?
We are going to beat the eggs and combine the liquid.
Great. So let's do that. So start off, we take the fork and puncture each yolk. Poke, 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 and then whip. Okay. Okay, what's our next step going to be?
Now we are going to mix it all together.
Wonderful. So I'm going to add this to the bowl. Great, so we've mixed the cake batter. What's the next step?
Now we're going to build the top of the strawberry upside down cake.
Great, and how are we going to do that?
We're going to add the butter, brown sugar, then the strawberries.
Wonderful. So with this, we've melted butter already. For the purpose of demonstrating, the cast iron is not hot. Often, what we would do is heat up the butter in the cast iron, but we're just doing a cold cast iron for the sake of this demonstration today. So there's the butter. How's that looking?
Good.
Okay, so we got this as even as we can, and then remember, because this is an upside down cake, so what is this going to be at the end?
Flipped over.
Flipped over and on top. All right. So let's get the cake batter. Now that we have the top ready, I need to ask a question first. Do you guys know what a scarecrow's favorite fruit is?
It's strawberry.
All right, let's go. cake is looking gorgeous. What's our next step?
Put it on the smoker!
Great. So we just did a toothpick test. Cake is great. Cast iron dripping hot. I have my welding gloves on. About to flip it. It's always important to make sure that not only do you need the upside down, but the downside up. Okay. So now cover it with the cutting board and one big strong motion. Flip it over.
Strawberry! Upside down cake!
Let it set for over 5 minutes. And now's the big reveal for you girls. Ready?
Yum!
That smells so good. All right. So, yep. So here's some forks. There's your fork there. Let me cut a piece here. Okay. Go ahead. Grab a bite. You need some help here?
It tastes so good.
Great. Thanks for joining us for today's episode of DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boopy-doo, it's DadBQ. The family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.